Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. In this short tutorial we will learn that how you can disable or enable window update. First of all, you can see here is a window update that is running and I am facing storage issues. So first of all, I will go to run, and from here I will open services.mec from run as administrator, and then you will search for window update. Here you can see window update is running, so you can also stop from here. And the second method is you can go to all tasks and then you have clicked to stop it, and again open it, and then from manual you can disable it and then stop and then apply and then OK. So this is a step one that everyone can apply it, but sometime this will not work because when you restart your laptop it will again your update is resumed. So you can apply the second method. As you can see in run, you will put this command registry edit, and when this command is open, as you can see this menu is open, and from here you have seen this different folder, and you can select the third one, which is local machine. So we are applying in this machine, so you can select the local machine and then you go to Microsoft. From start I will show you local machine, and then you go to again in software and then in Microsoft. So in software, and then we will search it from here, policies. So where is policies, we can search it from here. You can see there is a policy, and then again you go to Microsoft and then you search for window. So the window is selected. Now you can right click on it. I will zoom it to see you, and then you can create new key, and you have to rename it window update. So press enter or hit enter, and then this will be closed, and now again you have to right click on this folder to create you can see new key, and then you have rename again this key IU, and then press or hit enter, and then open this. As you can see in right side, we will create a new key and then rename it as a no auto update. So you will double click, and then you can see from 0 to 1 this is disabled, and here when you check in your history, so if there is any update, first of all you have to uninstall it and then restart your PC, and next time you will not get any update. But if you want to update again your system, then you have just go to the same folder, double click it, and then change it from 1 to 0, then your update will be resumed. Thanks for watching.